You're not lazy, you're drained. And the reason you can't get yourself to move forward isn't because you're weak. It's because your brain and body are running on empty. What looks like laziness is almost always exhaustion in disguise. And until you see it that way, you'll keep attacking yourself for the wrong problem. Your brain doesn't run on endless motivation, it runs on energy. Psychologists call this ego depletion or decision fatigue. Every single choice you make, what to wear, what to eat, what to reply to, what to scroll on, drains your mental battery. By the time you get to the important stuff, you're already at 5%. Add in poor sleep, overstimulation from screens, and nonstop notifications. That isn't laziness. That's a nervous system in survival mode. And when your brain senses survival mode, it shuts down non-essential effort. That's why you can't study, why you can't focus, and why you feel like you're failing. Now, most people try to fix this by adding new habits, but that only drains you faster. The real fix is subtraction. Cut one pointless decision from your day. Wear the same outfit to work, prep the same breakfast, save energy for what matters. Cut one source of constant noise. Every ping, every buzz, every notification is a tiny energy leak. Turning off just one of those sources gives your brain breathing room. And here's the underrated one. Subtract fake rest. Real recovery comes from sleep, silence, stretching, even boredom. These refill the tank, fake rest empties it. You can also hack your brain into feeling less drained. Research shows your brain builds momentum from small wins, something called the progress principle. When you complete even a tiny task, your brain releases dopamine signaling we're moving forward. So instead of staring at the giant task and freezing, do the smallest version of it. Write one sentence, wash one plate, read one page. Your brain doesn't care how small, it just cares that you started, and that's how you trick it out of paralysis. You've been beating yourself up for being lazy when in reality, you've just been running on fumes. Laziness is a character flaw. Being drained is a system failure, and systems can be fixed. Fix the leaks, recharge the tank, and your so-called laziness will disappear. Most people will hear this and go right back to blaming themselves. But if you're still here, you already know the truth. You're not lazy, you're drained. And starting today, you're gonna fix the system, not your identity.